Hi, Dr. Mohebi here. Today we have a test hair transplant for FUE procedure into the scar, a widened scar of a previous strip. So as you probably know, the more traditional method of doing hair transplant was through removing of a strip of the skin from the back and closing it. And although most of the patients are ending up with like a very fine scar, like 1 millimeter maximum or 2, occasionally that scar may stretch significantly. This is a scar that is, as you can see, is up to probably more than 1 centimeter in certain areas at the middle portion. The patient has had difficulty healing from his first procedure with some unhealing spots and very long healing period. Definitely nothing typical, very unusual situation, so for that reason we're going to do a test FUE transplant. Move some hair from the neighboring area of the scar and put them into the scar so we can make sure it's not activating his unhealing or non-healing problem.
We marked these 2 boxes, so we're gonna put 10 grafts here, 10 grafts. The grafts are gonna be removed from the area right above the scar. Local here, a little pinching, Okay. Do you feel this one right now?
No.
Any of these?
Yes.
That one, okay. A little more local.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see this one. Okay, let me see it here. Okay, good. Just 2 grafts, 2 follicles.
Dr. Mohebi, what's your method of extraction?
We're using the cold manual punch. This 0.9 millimeter punch. So the grafts are coming easily. We just want to get 20 grafts to test them into the scar area. So again, when we do the scar revision, we usually don't test them, but in this case, because he had complicated healing in past and he had difficulty with the strip procedure, so we want to make sure that everything looks good, and then if it does, we're going to do a larger procedure. How many grafts do we have so far?
16.
Sides here, 18 gauge needle sides. And this area, we're going to go to the area opposite of it so we can have it in 2 different areas. 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you have 2 boxes of 9 sites on each.
That was it, nice and easy. So in cases that we have any question, any doubt that there might be less than perfect growth, a FUE test. We used to call it Fox test. So that was a FUE test for hair transplant covering the scar. This is Dr. Mohebi from Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration, wishing you a happy hair day.